क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? आर यू इंडियन? 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 In an earlier lesson, I told you that kya means what? Kya means what? Kya means what? And we have studied a sentence, आपका क्या नाम है? What is your name? But here, क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? We have used kya, while kya means what. So why we have used here kya? Because kya is an interrogative word. In Hindustani, kya is used as what, and kya is also an interrogative word. While its English translation, kya aap Hindustani hain? Are you Indian? Here it is also a question. We have framed this interrogative question by putting auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence. Are you Indian? You are Indian? It means आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं. And we have put auxiliary verb before the sentence. Now it is are you Indian? Now it has been changed into interrogative verb. Where in an English sentence we use auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence to make it interrogative, we use in Hindustani we use kya at kya at the beginning of the sentence. Here we have used kya at the beginning of the sentence. It means its interrogative in English is framed by putting auxiliary at the beginning of the sentence. Are you Indian? Are you Indian? क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Are you Indian? क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Because we have used auxiliary verb at the beginning of a sentence to make it interrogative. Therefore, we have used kya at the beginning of the sentence to make it interrogative. क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Are you Indian? Are you Indian? While here, आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? What is your name? We have used what at the beginning of the sentence in English, so we have used kya in the middle of the sentence. आपका क्या नाम है? Okay, so क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Are you Indian? क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Are you Indian? Now, what will be the answer of क्या आप हिंदुस्तानी हैं? Are you Indian? You can answer जी हाँ मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. जी हाँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. Yes sir, I am Indian. जी हाँ, yes sir, I am Indian. Here G is not equivalent to sir. G is not equivalent to sir, but G is an honorific word in answering a question. G. G means we use G to address respected ones. So, जी हाँ, we have translated it yes sir. जी हाँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. Yes sir, I am Indian. जी हाँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. जी हाँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. जी हाँ, yes sir, मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. I am Indian. If you want to say I am not Indian, no sir, I am not Indian, what will be the answer? जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. जी नहीं, जी हाँ means yes sir, and जी नहीं no sir. जी नहीं no sir. मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, I am Indian. मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ, I am not Indian. So नहीं means no and नहीं means not. जी नहीं, here नहीं means no, no sir, and मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ, I am not Indian, here नहीं means not. So नहीं means no and नहीं means not, both. जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ, no sir, I am not Indian. जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. जी नहीं, मैं हिंदुस्तानी नहीं हूँ. Now we will learn some words about nationalities. We have already learned Hindustani. Hindustani means Indian. Hindustani, Indian. And Pakistani is Pakistani. Pakistani is Pakistani. Angrez means English, Englishman. Angrez, Englishman, Englishwoman, English. Angrez is English. American, American is Amriki. American, American is Amriki. American is Amriki. Japanese is Japani. Japanese is Japani. Japanese is Japani. Chini, Chini is Chinese. Chini is Chinese. Chini is Chinese. Francisi is French. Francisi is French. Francisi is French. German is German. German is German. German is German.